Hi everyone, we are JP Shop 45. We like to present the phone holder fixed with your Vespa. In the set, there are the holder fixed with your side mirror and the motor roof fixed with your phone holder. This model is S125. The first one was the rubber in this set with your side mirror. Use the screws. Okay, fix the holder. Fix this to the holder. There is a screw fixed to the leg. And the last one is fix the phone holder to this. Fix to this hole. The smaller hole. Fix the female nut to this. Okay, it's finished. When you use, please rotate and it's expand. Put on your phone and rotate it again. Ready to use. Thank you for watching. Bye.